So, what is the current situation of oxygen stock in your
Our
hospital?
oxygen stock has almost dried up because we work on three modes. One is the liquefied oxygen, one is we have our own oxygen generator, and then we have cylinders to support the thing. Because of the COVID situation, the oxygen demand has increased because I will explain you. In a normal patient, we give 2, 4, 6 liters of oxygen. But when a patient of COVID comes, we may have to increase the supplies to 15 liters, 18 liters, 14 liters, 12 liters, depending upon the severity of the disease. So thereby, when we put a patient on oxygen, the डिमांड जो है उसकी जो रिक्वायरमेंट है that increases. So therefore whatever stock is, so in order to meet that requirement of oxygen generator or manifold room and the liquefied oxygen, we mix up them so that we can augment the oxygen supplies. So oxygen is, when we talk about the liquefied oxygen, it is supplied through the given to the patient through the piped oxygen, because then ultimately we don't have to carry the cylinder there, and then it occupies space and the accident hassles and all those things. So our oxygen generator is not in a position to take up that thing because of increased load. The Inox people from where we get the oxygen supplies, they were to give us more oxygen. 2 days back we spoke to them, though we get oxygen on credit, but we said I was anticipating this problem because everywhere hue and cry about the oxygen. We spoke to them, please ensure oxygen supply. They said, sir, you give us advance. So we give them advance also. So despite of that, yesterday we were expecting supplies of 2,300 liters and kilograms, but they just gave, they were to come at 11 o'clock. They came at about 2:30, 3 o'clock, and then gave us only 1,700. Now that 1,700, as I said, the demand is more. So this will not last. We are hardly left with any oxygen. Now we have cancelled, we have requested our doctors to discharge the patient, whichever can be discharged. Whatever cylinders are there, we are trying to put them on the ICU beds, all those things, because ultimately they are force carrying and there could be accidents also.
So, sir, by when you think that your oxygen stock will last?
Maybe, and we were expecting, because now what we have done is, whatever volume of oxygen we are giving, we have tried to little tweak it so that it can last more. Hardly, if at all something is there, it may be 2 hours or something.
So, how many patients you have? How many?
110 patients on oxygen.
How many people are on ventilators and ICU?
There are about 12 patients which are on ventilator and BiPAP. There are 85 patients which are more than 5 liters per minute oxygen supplies. There are other people, they are also there. There are cancer patients, there are cardiac patients. And ultimately, it will be very deplorable condition, very unfortunate condition. We probably, you see, we as a doctor, we as a hospital, we are supposed to give life. If we cannot give them oxygen even, what is the situation? When patient comes to, patient will die. Patient will die.
So, sir, any help you have got from Delhi?
We know they are trying to help, but there is no oxygen, sir. There is no oxygen. We know this. We know, everybody knows it. Even government is trying to help us. But ultimately, oxygen is to be generated and supplied.
So, sir, is there any solution you have figured out, or there is nothing so far?
No, I think as our Honorable Prime Minister said, other people also saying, in the court has ordered कि जो इंडस्ट्रियल ऑक्सीजन है उनको डाइवर्ट करें, उनको भेजें यहाँ पे, एंड इट शुड बी डन. इट कैन नॉट बी मूव लाइक ए फाइल. इट हैड टू कम लाइक दिस, कम लाइक ए ऑक्सीजन, द स्पीड ऑफ द एयर. What would I do with the oxygen if it is not given in time? What face I will show to God if my patient dies? What do I tell people? I could not give you oxygen. I don't produce oxygen. Whatever oxygen I'm producing, I have a best of the oxygen generator with me, which produces 125 D-type cylinders. My friends in the group, they have requested, they have a message, spread a message कि शांतिम का डिस्ट्रेस में इनको 2-2 सिलेंडर सब दे दो इनको. आई एम गेटिंग फोन कॉल्स कि आप भेजिए, हम 2 सिलेंडर देते हैं आपको, पर वो 2 सिलेंडर कितने नहीं चलेंगे मेरे पास.
तो सर अभी कोई सोल्यूशन, क्योंकि आप कह रहे हैं 2 घंटे का मैक्सिमम ऑक्सीजन बचा हुआ है.
सर वही, मैं प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, मैं आपको ये कह रहा हूँ, मैं हम्बली आपको रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ. मेरे को किसी से कोई कंप्लेंट नहीं है, मैं कुछ नहीं, मेरे को ऑक्सीजन चाहिए. मेरे को जितनी जल्दी मेरे को ऑक्सीजन चाहिए. मैंने अभी उनको इनॉक्स वालों को फ़ोन किया, बोला रात को 9 बजे देंगे. पर रात को 9 बजे देंगे, ठीक है. मैं इस समय पेशेंट को क्या करूँगा अगर ऑक्सीजन नहीं है. मैं जिन पेशेंट को डिस्चार्ज कर रहा हूँ, आपको क्या लगता है कि दे वर हेयर फॉर पिकनिक, दे वर सफरिंग.
So by 9 will they able to survive?
No, there's no way I can cover it till 9. So that's why I have requested my doctor कि जो पेशेंट डिस्चार्ज हो सकते हैं उनको डिस्चार्ज कर दे, जो कहीं और जा सकते हैं उनको और सर्जरीज कैंसिल कर दी हैं. जो पेशेंट जो मेरे पास सिलेंडर पड़े हैं उनको बेड साइड पे ले गया हूँ ताकि उनको उनकी दिस स्टॉक विल नॉट लास्ट ना.
Okay, sir, thank you.
I need help.